Capricorns, what's going on with y'all? What's going on with y'all? Full card draw. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Pause. I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. I actually got it situated second, but it's all good. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I meant to say first and all that. But look, what else? If you need to get in contact with me because you want to do a reading of some sort, or you just want to see what I have to provide and offer in general, you can go and reach my website by going to the description box. There will be a link to my website there, and you'll be able to scroll the landing page and see what I have to provide and offer. Other than that, yeah, cross watchers, you're all welcome. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for being here. If this is your first time, much gratitude to you, for you, and all the above. Shit is looking crazy right now, but that's all right. We still gonna get this. We still gonna get this reading done. You heard? Get this hair thing situated later. So with that being said, let's get these cards read. Bars. This is the situation at hand for the Capricorn energy. You have justice in reverse. This is the situation for the obstacle. The card for the obstacle, representing the obstacle. The Page of Cups. This card is relative to the advice being recommended to be taken. It is the Ace of Wands in reverse. And this card, is relative to the outcome should you take the action recommended, which is the Nine of Pentacles. I like the Nine of Pentacles. I think a lot of people do, to be honest with you. That's that good tea right there. All right, let's unpack this. Okay. Wow, this is deep. This is deep, right? Because this is the situation at hand. There is you may feel like you're receiving karma for something right now in a way that you feel is unfair. And I can't really determine on whether it is or not. All right, because you could actually be avoiding the karma, not wanting to take responsibility for what's being handed to you, or it can be injustice. It could be not well justified. I don't really know right now. I can't really see that right now. But what I can tell you is this, right? That someone may come to you and offer you like a way out of your situation. Someone that you know, someone that you talk to, someone that knows you may come to you and they may say, hey, look, I see what you're going through. You may even vent to this person. So this allows them to be empathetic with you, and they can feel what you feel type shit. And they may offer you comfort, be kind to you, and say, hey, look, I'm here for you. You know what I mean? If you ever need me. In fact, they may even give some emotional support and advice to you. All right. At the same time, they may be trying to figure you out emotionally. Don't leave that part out. All right. This is the quiet type too. So if they seem a little bit more talkative than usual, it's because they actually want to understand the depths of you. Okay. They're doing this for. They're intuitively being led to ask you questions and be kind to you and empathize with you. This is coming from spirit. Now, I'm not saying what spirit it is that's guiding them. So what I'm saying is I can't tell you if it's good or bad. What I can tell you is it's in the obstacle position. And they may just be asking you these questions and empathizing with you to get you to talk. It's like good cop, bad cop, and they're being good cop. They could just get you to talk because they want you to unravel what it is that you did to experience this injustice, right? Or just merely how you feel about the injustice. This could actually be something related to law. This could actually be a cop, a young cop too, trying to get their stripes and coming to investigate and coming to ask you a few questions. If it's not literally that, I want you to look at that in the scope of that. So let's say you are experiencing an injustice. You were done wrong, right? This person is asking you questions to investigate how you feel about that wrongdoing. What's the purpose of it? It's mystery. It's a mystery. This is a Pisces card. The moon is here. It's a mystery. But what I can tell you is it's an obstacle. Maybe you'll feel like they're pacifying you, or they're trying to be low-key sarcastic, or trying to make a joke out of what you've been through or what you're experiencing, instead of letting you like grieve and like, you know what I mean? Speak when spoken to type shit. They're coming at you with all this soft butter up. Hey, you know, I bought you something. I bought you flowers. I bought you candy. And you're like, in your mind, you're like, I don't even eat that shit. Like, that's not my favorite. Like, if you really cared, you'd bring my fucking favorite. You know what I'm saying? Not saying that you're saying that, but I'm telling you now, be watchful of this type of behavior from someone. Now, the action recommended to take is to sit in your shit. Not only that, now I'm seeing that this might have even been an offer to you. Like, hey, you know what? I see how you're feeling. You should come out of that and come do this. You know what I mean? Just come on. Let's go swimming or something. You know, let's go to the beach. Let's go. And not for nothing, they might even be going as far to say, let's go make a documentary out of this. Like, the story may be that intense or valid, or, you know, even it might be that what word am I looking for? It might be a strong enough case to make a documentary out of it and do something creative out of it, or do something business like out of it. But what I'm getting here is that would actually be making a spectacle of you. Yeah. They would be making a spectacle out of it. Out of your situation, out of your experience, out of what you encountered. It could actually turn out being embarrassing. So what I'm getting is this person is investigating how you feel about a situation that you've been through, perhaps a wrongdoing, because they want to exploit you in some type of way. They want to make a film or a documentary, and the action to be taken is to say no. To say no, pump the brakes on that. Pump the brakes on that. And what I'm getting is, they may not be wrong as far as the idea goes. It could be that great of a deal to actually get out there to the people. But the outcome, should you say no to them and their offer, is you do it, you get independent success. So you might just take their idea and do it independently. Because the Nine of Pentacles is independent success, financial stability, security. So you can come up off of this. This can be a thriving business for you. And I don't know how exactly you're going to do it, but what I'm being showed and being told here is that it's better that you do it your way. It's better to do it your way. Yeah, so this is like thumbs down. Turn down that offer. Say no, thank you, because your way is going to be the better way. And it's really like your way or the highway anyway. And again, I don't know if this person is a bad person. It's just, when you see the page, right? They could mean well. In this situation, they can mean well. But what they have to offer in comparison to what this can become, you do the math. You weigh it out. The Nine of Pentacles weighs more than the Page of Cups. But you can thank them for bringing it to your attention. You know what I'm saying? And if they didn't copyright it first, or, you know what I'm saying? That's their fault. And if they really are a friend, if they really are kind, and they really do care about your emotions and your well-being, like they presented themselves to you, then they wouldn't mind, right?